Do you know what you're doing?
No, I don't.
Can you tell?
Go ahead.
What am I talking
Fire
about?
away. That we have a giveaway coming up, and that we're doing a little something else right now.
So, are we talking about this right now?
Not right now. We're going to talk about it a little later.
Tell them that we're going to talk about it later.
Just tell them that we're going to talk about it later.
Oh, okay. So everything Beau said, but a little bit later, will actually make it make sense.
Is that it?
Yeah.
We're here with the WRX today, my WRX. We're usually working on Ronnie's, but today we're working on mine, and it's not a fuel pump thing. We are rolling fenders today. We're going to roll the rear fenders and the front fenders, show y'all how to do that, and hopefully I won't rub in the rear anymore. We should really do a shop cleanup video, or a shop organization video, just because Ronnie needs that kind of help. Look at this. This is a pool table. We're supposed to be playing pool on this. Ooh. What is that?
You're talking about this beautiful turbo fan?
Is that what that is?
It is.
Dang, that is snazzy.
I don't know whose it is. It just like got here one day, and I was told it's for like some new project that we have going on.
Ooh.
Dang, look at the back. That's so cool.
That is enticing.
So yeah, maybe Beau knows what this is for.
Maybe
It
I
looks
do.
kind of small.
It does look small.
Like the lug pattern. It's kind of small for a normal car.
I'm guessing it's 5x100.
That's what it looks like to me. Who sells crap that's 5x100?
I don't know.
What, dude? Oh my gosh, it's so bright. I gotta get over here. So, as Beau said, we're gonna roll the fenders on his car. I don't know if we're doing the front and the back, but we're definitely doing the back. Anyways, I want to talk about that. How do I get over there? There it is. That's a fender roller. So, this is like a somewhat proper fender roller. This is what you would use. And these are anywhere from $50 to $100 on Amazon and eBay. And I really recommend getting one of these versus the jack handle method or the phone book method. Like, it's $50. And I can tell you for a fact that a lot of people have these things, because I know 3 people besides me that own these. So more than likely you probably have a friend that owns a fender roller.
So Ronnie's back here heating up the edge of the fender. Heating it up makes it easier to bend the metal. It also makes it so the paint doesn't chip so bad, but it's probably going to chip anyway. Just a little side note, if you have an all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive car, you need to have your car out of gear and your emergency brake off. If you have a front-wheel drive car, you ain't going to worry about that.
You still have to have the park brake off.
You still have to have the parking brake off. People can see what's going on. Yeah, that's him. He's doing work right now, G.
What, Levi?
Alright, so you just adjust it out and tighten it up as you're just rolling along the inner edge.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to loosen it too, because like if you look here, this hasn't even been rolled at all, and this is where I started. And then like right here is already like pretty aggressive. So as you go down, depending on like where the center of your hub is relative to your wheel well, you're gonna have to adjust it in and out so that you don't like get over, like it gets stuck. Like I can't go any further than that, so I have to loosen it up, whatever way this is. This way, maybe.
Daddy.
Is that tight or loose? I can't tell. Yeah, so that's looser. And then I can get further down. And then I'll tighten it up this way. And it'll do up here again. So that it's all kind of uniform in this section. And you can see the difference. And you can tell right here, like it's already the paint's chipping, it's cracking.
That's all right.
You didn't get it warm enough.
It'll buff out.
So, but yeah, that's kind of the idea. You just keep doing that, and you don't have to go all the way down. I say go to about here, and then you're just gonna go obviously as far as you can on that side. The reason you don't have to go all the way down is your wheel only rubs at the top of the fender, because that's the inside most area. Your car usually narrows in, but this is further away from the tire. Like nobody has their tire tucking inside this. You know, they tuck their tire up in here.
So what are you doing with that big hammer?
Well, the hammer method works a lot better, but you got to get it started a little bit, because if you just start smacking it, you'll get it all wavy. But if you get it started a little bit, you can usually get it looking pretty good. If you want it real tight, you can buy these like pliers that go on the outside of the car, and you can pinch it real tight, or you just use a hammer like most people.
All right.
But make sure it's a rubber hammer.
Alright, so we got this big lip coming up here, and this is where we've been working it in, where Ronnie's been working it in, rolling it and hammering it, and it's rolled around pretty good. It's not like pinched flat, but it's definitely up, so it won't scrape right here anymore on this edge right there.
Yep, we're gonna have to finish up here, and then we'll bring this down just a little bit more, and this that'll be done.
Excellent.
So it's pretty quick and easy.
I was just telling Ronnie that Levi is going to be a pretty good helper when he gets a couple years older. Once he can read, socket sizes and whatnot.
Hey, watch your face.
And your fingers, and your eyes, and your toes. Anything we don't want to lose. So, where did we get this fender roller?
Amazon. Was that even a question?
Yeah, right?
Link in the description. Amazon and Harbor Freight, two best stores.
Yeah, right on. We always lean toward inexpensive. We don't care about 5,000 tooth ratchets.
But I have one. Big Beau says he's always going to steal it, so we're not saying nice tools aren't nice. They're just not worth the hype. Alright, well this one's all done.
Sweet. Are you recording? I thought we were both going to be in this. Are we not both going to be in this? Alright, so we got some requests to make stickers on our Instagram and our YouTube. We've designed some, printed some, we actually sold some and shipped some out.
He's designed them.
Yeah, whatever. We're a team. We're a team here, Ronnie.
Like, you designed them, and then you sent me a bunch of different drawings, and I was like,
I'm blushing. All right.
I had to line them out real quick.
Okay, so what Ronnie and I are planning is a Local Losers giveaway. When we get to like 200 subscribers on Instagram, when we get to like 200 subscribers on YouTube, we're going to do a giveaway. We're going to give away some stickers. We're going to give away a t-shirt. This is going to be the first Local Losers t-shirt that we've ever made, so we'll make it custom, just for you, whoever you are. What we need you to do
Is...
You have pretty nice skin.
Thanks. My wife says I have a lot of blackheads on my nose. Go down into the comments here on YouTube and just let us know that you want to enter into the giveaway. And then if you could make your way over to Instagram and let us know you want to enter on there as well, and you'll get 1 entry for YouTube and 1 entry for Instagram. And starting this video, from now on until we do the giveaway, will be your time to do 1 entry. So you can comment on any video from now until the giveaway. And then same thing with on Instagram. Anytime from now until the giveaway, you comment, you're entered. It's that simple. But we need you to go over to Instagram because we can't connect with you here on YouTube. We can't get your email or anything like that from you. So we need you to go to Instagram so that we can get all that information so that we can square it away to get it to whoever the winner is. Hopefully it's me. I will comment so that hopefully I win.
I want to win.
This will be the first Local Losers t-shirt ever. Like, Beau and I don't even have t-shirts yet. So whoever wins this will be the first person to rock a Local Losers t-shirt.
This is a good idea. I'm going to comment too and see if I can get a free t-shirt.
We need free t-shirts. Anyways, let's show you guys kind of what the fuss is about.
So we've been getting a lot of followers on Instagram, a lot of subscribers on YouTube, and we really appreciate the support. We really do. We're going to be doing these giveaways. We're going to be doing these giveaways probably every 100 or 200 subscribers that we get on YouTube. So go ahead and subscribe to us so you can be part of those giveaways. Follow us on Instagram if you have an Instagram account, and we'll keep you abreast on there as well. I just said breast. Ooh, look. What is that?
What's what?
Stickers. Dang, stickers on turbo fans. Should I have a boner right now?
We're out here, fam.
Because I think I do.
Oh, look, there's another one of those.
Dang.
So if you guys want to get some of these for your sticker collection, we're selling them on Instagram. Go find us on there and get you some of these stickers because they're super sick. We actually haven't even given ourselves these stickers yet. Beau really likes this one.
That's my favorite one. So we designed these, we print them and we cut them all ourselves. They're UV protected, so they'll hopefully hold up on your vehicle in the Arizona sun or whatever sun you happen to be under.
And they're handmade by us, so don't expect them to be perfect. So that's Beau. He just rolled his first wheel all by himself. Or his fender. He didn't roll a wheel. I guess you can roll a wheel. I'm going to start this over. Alright, so Beau just rolled his first fender. Since I can say that word now. It looks pretty good. We didn't use the heat gun on this side because it didn't reach. It's a little short to go to the back. So the paint's cracked pretty good.
Once this project gets done, it's not going to matter. It's going to look pretty rough anyway, which I'm excited about.
Rough?
Yes, rough.
Rough. Well, it's well on its way to looking rough. How many times did you crash this in like a month?
What's that?
I said, how many times did you crash this in like a month? Wasn't it like 2 or 3 times? Well, you hit a deer.
I got hit by a deer. There's a difference.
And then you backed up into the fun truck.
Oh yeah, I completely forgot about that.
Beau didn't trust the impact gun. Yet, he can't turn the lug nut anymore without moving his car.
Shut up.
I think they're good, Beau.
I'm just making sure. I've never had a wheel come off while I was driving. Not about to start now.
I've never had a wheel come off while I was driving that I put on with an impact. When I put them on by hand, they fall off every time.
This is Ronnie fanning himself with our stickers.
It doesn't work very
I
good.
guess that's another thing well, I guess they're not good for that. So just buy them and stick them on your car.
Or your forehead.
What are you doing?
I thought we were standing in front of the WRX.
Jeez, holy crap. I have to do everything around here, or at least plan everything. Anyway, that's it for tonight. We rolled the rear fenders on the WRX. Hopefully it won't scrape anymore.
Yeah, hopefully his tires will last a little longer.
Are you looking into the camera or at the little screen?
I'm looking at the screen.
My goodness. So we've been trying to improve our videos, and people say that you should look into the camera instead of the little screen so we can see if we're in the frame or whatnot, but we just can't help it but look at the screen, so we're sorry if we do that.
We're too pretty.
Dude, we are seriously pretty. Anyway, we're done.
All right, I'm
Talk to
sick.
you later.
Go away.
Shut up.